Beer is pretty awesome. And we all know that beer tastes best, fresh from the tap, with the perfect amount of carbonation and texture. But in order to reach the masses, beer is sold in cans and bottles worldwide. And unfortunately for us beer lovers, it just doesn't taste as good as it does fresh from the tap. Until now. Introducing WaitTap. WaitTap has been developed to deliver that fresh from the tap experience no matter where you are. Whether you're at the barbecue, dinner party, sporting event, or camping trip, or wherever you enjoy beer, WaitTap delivers the best possible beer drinking experience. With our patented physics technology, when you pull the tap handle forward, the beer is poured under pressure to maintain the carbonation in the body of the beer. And when you push the handle backwards, the beer passes through our sonic oscillator, which creates an ideal density foam that provides the rich, smooth, full-body texture of an authentic draft beer. We don't use any gas, chemicals, or additive, just thoughtful science and a passion for making beer taste the way the brewmasters intended. Last year, we introduced our first generation product to the market through crowdfunding, and the response was overwhelming. Not only we found an audience for our product, but we also found a community of people who are really passionate about beer the same way we are. Since then, we built a small team and have been all over the country meeting with backers, customers, and brewers, hearing directly from them about how much and why they love physics. With our new WaitTap draft beer system, we set out to build a more portable and affordable design, so beer lovers and beer novices alike can enjoy the flavor and taste of authentic draft beer at home or anywhere. We're coming back to the crowdfunding community with our new product because we want to put it in the hands of beer lovers who are the most passionate.
At the end of the day, we're people just like you who love beer and the community around it.
Well, thank you for your support. Cheers.
Cheers.
We're BioLite, and we love fire. A campfire is all about gathering round, but the smoke that comes with it can often get in the way of sticking around. It's time to upgrade your fire with the BioLite Fire Pit. A Bluetooth-controlled wood-burning system that can cook your meals and create an outdoor floating fire without any of the smoke. Central to the BioLite Fire Pit is the advanced airflow system. An integrated fan injects the fire with air across 51 jets, dramatically improving combustion by burning particulate matter before it has a chance to escape the fire, so you can go from spark to smokeless in under 30 seconds. The result? No more shuffling around your campfire to avoid plumes of smoke. Unlike typical fire pits you might encounter, the fire pit features X-ray mesh, giving you a 360-degree view of your flames and creating the feel of a floating fire in nighttime conditions. The high-temp coated steel chamber can hold up to 4 pieces of cordwood at a time, and with the hyper-efficient burn, you get a roaring campfire with half the fuel typically required, so you can do more with less. Control the strength of your flames from the palm of your hand with the free BioLite app that talks to your airflow system to modulate fan speeds. The more air you introduce, the hotter the fire. The airflow pack can provide up to 24 hours of clean burning on a single charge, and it detaches for easy recharging via micro USB. Utilize the USB port on the side to connect BioLite lighting for a perfect outdoor setup. And when you're not burning, that same USB port doubles as a power bank, offering power in a pinch to your other devices. Exclusively for our Kickstarter backers, your pledge comes with a free integrated solar cover that automatically recharges the fire pit when not in use. Ready for the beach, the backyard, and beyond, the fire pit's folding legs and the solar cover's integrated straps make it easy to transport. If you can carry a cooler to your favorite outdoor spot, you can carry this no problem. Looking to cook with your campfire? We got you covered. The fire pit's dual fuel system can accommodate both charcoal or burn your firewood down to embers. And with the included grate top, your system transforms instantly into a hibachi-style grill for epic outdoor meals. Here at BioLite, we've been in the business of fire for over 5 years. But these are some of the biggest flames we've ever made, and we need your help for them to catch. The funds from this campaign will help us onboard and train our new production partner, as well as cover the costs of our first large volume production run. We've got a great selection of rewards lined up, featuring gear from the entire BioLite family of products and special collaborations with some of our favorite outdoor friends. Fire captivates us, warms us, feeds us, and gathers us. It's one of our oldest tools, and it's time for it to evolve. Discover the BioLite Fire Pit.
Based on official statistics, there are 600 million people who get behind the wheel of their cars every single day, and 75% of them use their smartphone while driving. Hello Kickstarter, my name is Ivan, and today I'm extremely proud to introduce Hardware Glass. It is a simple smartphone accessory that turns your smartphone into a head-up display, just like in a fighter jet or luxury car. We've been working on improving safety and comfort of the driver for 3 years. We started with a navigation app, which transforms our vision on how cell phones can be used in cars. By now, over 1 million drivers have tried our app, and one customer even told us it saved his life.
Hardware Glass was inspired by rally racing. When you are driving 120 miles per hour, all your attention is focused on the road ahead. To look away, even for a second, is extremely dangerous. Putting a head-up display in a race car is one thing, but we realized regular drivers face all the same distractions and more using their smartphones while driving.
We put it to the test. The two most common distractions are reading directions of your phone and checking your speedometer. This causes us to drive blind for approximately 300 feet on every mile. On a typical 10-mile trip, we are distracted and driving blind for over half a mile. Using Hardware Glass, this distraction time is reduced to nearly zero. Head-up displays in cars do exist already, but they tend to be very expensive and usually found only on luxury vehicles. Some companies are developing more affordable devices, but they still cost several $100s and are stuck in the midst of a very long and complicated development process, so you still cannot buy them today.
At Hardware, we took a simpler route. Let's face it, your smartphone already has everything you need to project data on a windshield.
Big and bright display, GPS, internet, sensors. The only thing is missing is a special optical glass to provide you high-quality reflection of your screen, day or night, rain or shine. Well, the only thing missing isn't missing anymore.
Imagine that you already have head-up display in your car. All you need is just an accessory for your smartphone. Imagine all navigation information is in front of your eyes all the time. Imagine music control, conference calls, or catching up with your robot friend Siri. There are no limits. You can use any app on any smartphone that supports head-up display mode. Now, there's no need to take your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. It's a safer and more comfortable ride. What do you think about that?
I feel like I'm in a sci-fi movie. Wow.
It's really cool. I like it. I like the reflection, and it doesn't block your view of anything.
It actually gives me the option to just not have to look down on my phone every 2 seconds.
You know, there's a lot of high-end luxury cars that have that capability, and if you don't have one of those kind of cars, then, I think it's great to have.
It's convenient, it's easy to use. It sounds like it even saved lives without having to take your eyes off the road.
How much do you think it costs?
Oh gosh, I don't know. It must be some kind of fancy glass. Maybe a few $100s?
Actually, only $49.
Come on.
Seriously?
Only $49? That's cheaper than my cell phone case.
I want one. That's awesome. That's cool.
Hardware Glass isn't stuck in the idea phase, and it's not a prototype. In fact, we already manufactured the first test batch of the devices and get great feedback from our customers, drivers, and market experts. Now it's your turn, Kickstarter. Help us take this product to the next level and end distracted driving. Put your phone down and let Hardware Glass show you the way.
Yeah, it's real good volume. I can hear everything.
You didn't hear that in the beginning? It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
I hear it, the sound's coming through. Yeah, I like it. It's so funny.
Wow.
Hallo?
Oh.
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy.
In our fast-paced world, we overlook the most important component of our day, sleep. Studies show that waking abruptly or in the wrong phase of sleep can be as harmful as no sleep at all. We all have to wake up on time, but how we've been doing it is unnatural and needs to change. Most of us aren't even aware that waking to light the way nature intended can be the difference between another groggy morning or revolutionizing your day. Here at Mode Modern, we want to change that. The Sunrise Pillow is the world's first smart pillow that tracks your sleep, wakes you naturally with light, and reinvents the alarm. Our specially designed LED lights, speakers, and sensors are embedded beneath layers of premium memory foam. Simply set your alarm, choose your wake-up music, and go to sleep. In the morning, your pillow will glow from a soft morning red to orange until your room is filled with light. Then your music plays to ensure you're awake. By mimicking the rising sun, your body will be stimulated and wake up naturally, fully refreshed and ready for the day. The Sunrise Pillow's smart alarm knows when to wake you in your lightest phase of sleep, so you wake up focused and energized the moment you open your eyes. Our sensors monitor your sleep and give you a sleep score. If your sleep's interrupted at 2 a.m., you should be able to hear what it was, so you can adjust your surroundings to perfect your sleep. Fall asleep to nature sounds, your favorite audiobook, or mask out unwanted noise with the built-in sound conditioner. You can even fall asleep the old-fashioned way, with the adjustable reading lights that turn off automatically once you've fallen asleep. Here at Mode Modern, we've been hard at work. We're a team of designers and engineers with over 10 years of experience. Making a pillow for you to rest your head on may seem simple, but making it intelligent and easy to use takes even more finesse. That's why we're working closely with materials experts and software engineers to source the most comfortable materials and design the simplest system that works seamlessly to improve your life. The popularity in wearables is proof that we all care about improving our body's state of mind, but we shouldn't have to wear something to become better at it. The Sunrise Pillow is designed to give you insight into one of the most important processes of your life, your sleep.
When designing the Sunrise Pillow, we went through many iterations to make sure it was not only the most intuitive smart alarm, but also the most comfortable. We used soft, breathable fabrics and integrated cooling technology to keep you cool and comfortable the entire night.
Sleep plays a critical role in all our lives, so we didn't want to make this pillow without your help. We want the Kickstarter community to help us bring better sleep to everyone. With your support, we can together help people get more out of their days by improving the quality of their nights. We're so excited to build the Sunrise Pillow and get it to you.